In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude to search through your Slack conversations with incredible speed and accuracy. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of messages you have to scroll through just to find one specific decision or file, this integration is going to be a complete game changer for your daily workflow. The first thing you need to do is look at the chat bar inside of Claude where you usually type your questions. You will see a small plus icon located there, and when you click it, a menu will appear showing various tool integrations. You need to look for the Slack option and simply toggle that switch to the on position. This allows Claude to securely access your workspace data so it can perform searches on your behalf. Once that is set up, you can start being very specific with your prompts because Claude is much more intuitive than a standard keyword search. Instead of just typing a word, you should describe exactly what you are looking for in a natural sentence. For example, you could ask Claude to search your Slack history for all conversations about the website redesign between Sarah and Michael from last week and specifically find the final decision on the header color. Because Claude understands context, it will scan through all relevant channels and private threads to identify the exact moment that decision was reached. After you send the prompt, you just need to review the results. Claude will return direct quotes from the conversation along with helpful links to the original threads and a concise summary of the outcome. This saves you from getting lost in a sea of notifications and lets you focus on your actual work. Thank you so much for watching this guide, and if you found this helpful, make sure to try it out on your next project to stay organized.